in today's video, we are unboxing the Boxycharm Base Box for July. Boxycharm was kind enough to reach out and ask if they could send over another variation for me to unbox and review for you guys, and I was like, abso-flippin'-lutely. You guys know my love for subscription services, especially Boxycharm. So if you guys are interested, if you like what you see, you're interested in any of these products, check my description box down below, as well as in my comment section. I will have a link if you are interested in signing up for this box. I'll give you more information regarding how much this box costs, all of that good stuff here in a second. But before we jump into the video, disclaimer, y'all, my allergies are kicking my booty, so if I seem a little off, there's that. Also, I'm completely thrown off by the curls that I put in my head that I have not put in my head for the past 3 weeks. So I'm looking and I'm like, is this 90s? Is this 2000s? Who is she? I don't know. I don't even have my center part. So I am just all over the place. But fortunately for all of us, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox makeup, we talk about makeup, and we remember, y'all, it is in fact only makeup and hair curls. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be okay. Anyways, guys, I upload all the time over here. Sundays, I typically do Get Ready With Me's at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Monday through Friday, you will catch me right here at 12:15 Eastern Time. And I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I'm pretty consistent over there Monday through Thursday at 9 p.m. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump into a little information regarding this Boxycharm Base Box. Okay guys, so like I said, I have already unboxed one base box on our channel, which I will either link up here or I'll have it in my description box, what have you, at the end of this video. I've also unboxed the premium box. Like I said, Boxycharm is kind enough to send that over my way for PR unboxings, and I greatly appreciate it. I have been a long time subscriber of Boxycharm. I love them way before they even knew I had a channel or anything like that. So a little information regarding the base box. This is a $25 a month box plus tax, and you will receive at least $125 worth of products in here. Now every month there are specific dates for choices, and they're about a month prior. Now for this month, if you only have the base box membership, it is, you get to make your choice, and I think this video is going to go up after choices. Sorry guys, but you do get to make your choices on July 16th if you are a base box member only. So just letting you guys know as far as that goes. I have a whole dedicated video letting you guys know what the choices for July is, and again, I'll try and pop that video, at least a thumbnail over here for you guys. It's very informative, and at least even if you miss the choice window, it lets you know of some of the products that you will see in your base box for August. But we're sticking with, I digress. We're sticking with July here. Okay, so jumping right in, like I said, this was shipped to me, and I did weigh it on my mail scale because I know a lot of you guys like to see how much the box weighs. So in this box, you typically, for the most part, do get a postcard in here giving you a little information about what the theme is for the month, as well as you do get a variation, as well as letting you know everything that is in this box and the retail value of it, and a little information regarding each product. Now, like I said, I did weigh this on my mail scale, and it did come to 1 pound 5.3 ounces, and it is variation 3, by the way. And this month's theme is sunshine, so really cute little citrusy moment here. Is that water? I miss the pool, everything. I just miss the beach more than anything. But anyhow, so jumping right in, I've already peeked, I've already played around with these products. We're 4 minutes in, I haven't showed you guys anything, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so the first item and this is a set, and you guys know, if you watched my first unboxing, y'all know how bad I wanted this. And they sent it! It's in variation 3. So, and I've actually seen this variation on a lot of my Facebook groups. A lot of people have been receiving this particular box. So I'm so happy for you guys because I'm in love with this box. So this is the shampoo and conditioner from Sol de Janeiro, and together it's like a deluxe travel size, and it does have a retail value of $24. It smells amazing. You guys know my obsession with the Sol de Janeiro line. I'm looking for my perfume. It's right here behind my birthday card that Cami, one of my viewers and Patreon sent me. But the Sol de Janeiro line is just delicious. As soon as spring and summer roll in, man, I am all about the Coco Cabana lotion. I am all about the Bum Bum or Boom Boom cream. It is my jam. It is my scent. They came out with a perfume, and now my hair is gonna smell like it too. I'm pretty excited about it. So anyhow, moving on, the next item, ooh, I got a lot of thoughts on this one. The next item I'm going to talk about is the Hello Neon. This is a liquid lipstick. Now it does say these coveted liquid lipsticks have you covered with all day wear, minimal touch-ups throughout the day, mean less worry about smears, stained teeth, and weird inner lip rings. Retail value is $17. It is in the shade The Easy Sell. Now, I don't know if the video will be up over on my Instagram just yet or not, but I did do kind of like a not a get ready with me, but just doing my makeup kind of thing video, and I did use this lipstick. Now, it is a pretty lipstick. This is the up close. See if my camera will focus. Here's the up close of it, and you know, the component and everything is very nice. As far as the shade goes, I'm gonna swatch it. I did over on my Instagram as well, and it's a pretty color. You know, it's like a kind of almost like a brick red-ish kind of shade, and you'll see, like I said, over on my Instagram, when I applied it, I was like, whoo. So over here you see the OFRA Cosmetics and Jen Loves Review collab. I actually used the lightest shade in here, which I have this shade on today as well, and to lighten up this, because it was a lot for me. It was a lot. So the shade that I used is Revive, and I mixed it together, and like I said, you'll see it over on my Instagram. Now, as for today, I have my nude liquid, or no, I have my nude Gerard Cosmetics liner, and then I have this Revive by OFRA Cosmetics shade in the Jen Loves Reviews collab, and then I have some of my Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. That is what is on my lips today, if you guys are curious. I'll talk about the rest of my makeup later in the video. But on its own, it is a very pretty shade. It's just not a shade for me that I'm comfortable with. You guys know I prefer more of like a nude or neutral type of lip as far as that goes. As far as the formula of this, it's okay. I feel like if this came out in like 2017, I think everybody would have fell in love with the formula, because this was very much that kind of formula. Mixing it with my OFRA Cosmetics made it very comfortable, which, by the way, if you are interested in picking up the Jen Loves Reviews collab with OFRA Cosmetics, they did send this in PR, so thank you again, Jen and OFRA, for sending this over to me. This will be available for pre-sale. All three of these liquid lips will be available for pre-sale July 20th. I do have a coupon code HOTMESS. Will save you 20%, and it will work, I believe, on this collab as well. And then if you want to purchase the OFRA lipsticks individually, July 29th, I believe, and as well, like I said, you can use my 20% off coupon code, which is HOTMESS. I'll have a link to OFRA's site down below for you guys with my coupon code. But like I said, pairing it with the OFRA made it very comfortable. On its own, it was just a little too drying for my lips. However, what I will say, if you are looking for a very long-lasting type of lipstick, this definitely does what it says. It will last all day long. I had even swatched it, and even washing my hands, I was still doing so much scrubbing just to get this off. So it will stay put, and honestly, if it had come with like maybe more of like a nude shade or something like that, I probably would have been wearing it. I'm just saying. But like I said, if it is a shade that you really like the formula, but it's a little too dark for you, maybe consider picking up the OFRA Cosmetics Revive shade, because that's the nice thing about this whole trio, is you can like mix and match and kind of, what do they call it, Frankenstein your own lip shade kind of thing. Okay, moving right along to the next item in here, and you guys know this was one of my picks had I got to pick for choices. Because I do receive this in PR, I don't get to make the choices, but they sent over the 111 NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. Now this I'm super excited about, not because of the fact that it's $135, but because of the claims that go along with it. It's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Like I said, it does have a retail value of $135. One thing I can tell you guys, like, obviously it's bougie as sin, so this is what it looks like up close. It's like a nice kind of frosted bottle with the dropper in here. I do believe this was one of the add-ons. I mean, look at that. It's just a nice, really nice. It's a nice, really nice. Wow, the brain is not functioning well today. But it is a very comfortable formula. I didn't find that it's sticky or anything like that on my skin. It's just very comfortable. And I like the fact, like I said, that it has the blue light pollution, because I didn't realize like that's an actual thing. So anyways, if you could pick this up during add-ons or whatnot, I would definitely do that, because like I said, it's a $135 product and I was a little worried to fall in love with it, but I do believe it's part of the add-ons and it's very, very inexpensive to purchase it through your add-ons. Moving right along to the last item in this box, and this is by Ace Beauté, or Ace Beaut. This is the Bronze Paradise palette. I have been using this every single day. It is on my cheeks today. I love using, actually I love all of the shades. Don't let this shade scare you. This looks absolutely beautiful on the lid. If you are my complexion, you could still kind of get away with it just really, really lightly up through here. But like I said, if I have that video over on Instagram, I actually use this entire palette, not only on my face, but on my eyes as well. The formula in here is super easy to work with, super comfortable, and it blends out really well. And I used it with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. Perfect. Absolutely loved it. So anyways, it is in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It does have a mirror in here as well, and a little information about it. It does have a retail value of $30. It says the Bronze Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. And that is one thing I have to tell you guys. You guys know how much I love cream products, and I had used the Tower 28. This is the Bronzino in West Coast. And to go in, I was a little scared because I've never done this before, but it says you could do it with this powder. So I put my Bronzino on, and instead of like setting my face with powder, I set it with this, and I think it was this shade, and then I went over it with this one. It was beautiful. It was absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know if this was part of the add-ons yet. I'm actually filming this video on Wednesday when the add-ons will be going live later on in the day, but hopefully we'll see this maybe down the road if we don't see it in this month's add-ons. Okay, so a quick recap of everything in this box. We got the Ace Beauté bronzer palette. You'd think it was Monday. It's not. It's Wednesday, and I still can't speak. Love that for me. Like I said, my allergies, my whole head is just like, ugh, yucky feeling. And I mean, I'm going to sidetrack once again because we are a hot mess and ADHD strong, but there needs to be a law that we can do allergies and the Rona at the exact same time. Because I wake up and I'm like, is it? And I'm like, no sis, just take your Zyrtec, you're gonna be fine. That's where I'm at in my life. Love that for me. Anywho, we got the bronzer palette. We got the 111 Skin. We got this beautiful, yummy, delicious smelling shampoo and conditioner from Sol de Janeiro. The Hourglass Eyebrow of Heavenly Goodness. I really hope this is an add-on, or that we see it in Boxy Pop-Up, which Boxy Pop-Up will be, I can't remember the date, but it's like maybe August 10th or something next month. Super excited. And then I'm going to be honest with you guys, it was pretty much my fail of this box. This is the Ola Neon Lip Gloss. Again, very grateful and thankful to receive this in PR, but you guys like my honest opinion, I'm going to give it to you. And as far as that goes, for me, this was the fail in the whole box. But retail value, like I said, this box is $25 a month plus tax, and everything came to a grand total of $234 in this Variation 3 1 pound 5.3 ounce box. Do I think that this was worth the $25? Absolutely. Like I said, this is not a bad lipstick by any means. It's just for me and my mature lips, and the formula wasn't so much like a hit, but everything else, on top. Love it. Absolutely love it. Almost wish I didn't love it because now I'm going to be wanting especially this Hourglass brow pencil. You guys know how I feel about Hourglass products. They're absolutely amazing. So anyways, like I said, this whole box has a grand total of $234. Variation 3. If you guys got it, let me know down below. If you guys are curious to see the other variation that I did a video on, I will, like I said, I'll have the thumbnail over here and I'll try and put it at the end of this video and link the video down below for you guys as well. If you guys are interested in hearing all about the choices for the premium, which the premium choices do go live July 20th, so I will leave that video linked for you guys below as well, so you can go over and see the choices that you will get to pick from, because they're pretty awesome. We're talking Sunday Riley, Ole Henriksen, like I think is how you say it. Really amazing things. As far as the giveaway goes, there is a giveaway going on my channel right now. I will leave that pinned in the comment section down below, as well as in the description box for you guys. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will also have my link down below for you guys in the description box, pinned in the comment section as well. That way you guys can sign up, whether it be for the base box, the premium box, and there is also a luxe box, but that's quarterly. But anywho, you can sign up, and if you do, thank you so much for using my link, because that will earn me a little bit of a commission to put right back into the channel for you guys to review things and test out products and or get ready with me. As far as what is on my face, this is a little beauty that we may see in the future here with Boxycharm. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette. This is what is on my eyes today. Really beautiful palette, and we talked about this in a sneak peek, so stay tuned for that. On my cheeks, I have this beautiful Scott Barnes palette that was sent over by one of my lovely subscribers here. The Cheek Chic palette. I love this. I love this. I love this. And I also have some of this OFRA Cosmetics Pro Palette. They're having a big sale. I don't know if this is still on sale over at OFRA, but I do have a lot of these products on as well. I have a little casing on here, but I do have some of this under eye powder and the highlighters on here, and this is just a wonderful palette. Plus you can use that coupon code HOTMESS to save 20% off. By the way, that is an affiliate code, just letting you guys know if you guys are interested. And of course, like I said, on my lips I have the Gerard Cosmetics Nude Lip Liner, and over here then I have the OFRA Cosmetics Jen Loves Reviews lipsticks. Like I said, guys, I'm so sorry. I am so all over the place because I'm struggling. And then I do have this amazing mascara from Urban Decay on. Urban Decay did send this over. This is the Lash Freak mascara of heavenly amazing goodness. It's so wild and crazy. Like, the wand is nuts, but it's so cool. And it gives me like boom lashes without having to put 50 different coats of mascara on. So anywho, guys, that is all for today's video and my 10 hours of rambles. Hopefully you stuck around and you decide to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'd love it if you give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Feel free to share this video with your friends, and maybe they want to join the fam as well. And like I said, all information will be down in the description box and in the comment section below. I need to go have some tea or something. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!